We're diving into the next generation of fab content to bring professional vision to your projects. If you don't want to miss the technical deep dives, subscribe and secure your spot. Let's get started. How do you capture serenity and mystery in one scene? Fab's new abandoned Lighthouse Island is a massive storytelling kit. The 4K PBR materials offer hyper-realism, but the real game changer is the master material system. Add moss or dust with one click to adapt assets to any climate instantly. With 81 modular pieces, you can transform the lighthouse or design unique shorelines. It's a limitless creative playground. The foliage is fully compatible with lumen and nanite, maintaining fluid performance even in heavy scenes. Whether for horror or cinematic renders, this is your fastest shortcut to world building. Add it to your library while it's live. How do you bring war-torn devastation or post-apocalyptic silence to your scenes? This massive pack turns modern cities into ruins, a must-have for dystopian projects. It includes 18 ruined skyscrapers and 74 dilapidated buildings, each carrying the scars of catastrophe. For developers, the critical point is level destruction. Pre-flattened versions allow you to create realistic rubble in seconds. With 4 master material systems, you can customize the intensity of destruction and dust ratios. Everything is nanite supported for UE5, so you can wreck a metropolis without sacrificing performance. The way light bleeds through shattered windows creates that perfect final day atmosphere. It's not enough for your character to walk, they need to feel the weight of war. This specialized animation set turns static scenes into action movies. In combat, the impact feeling is everything. This pack covers casting, hit reactions, and defense, ensuring your character channels energy with their entire body. Technically, root motion compatibility keeps animation synchronized with in-game physics. Transitions are a quality smooth, perfect for boss fights or brawls. Imagine a magic duel amidst the ruins we just explored. Combining dynamic movement with high-end visuals will skyrocket your project's professionalism. Turn your models into living warriors today. Links are in the description. What's your favorite fighting style? Let's meet in the comments.